Good afternoon. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to Monsignor Rolly, our dedicated rector of the Manila Cathedral, and to Father Piel, Vice Rector, for their continuous guidance and service. We are also deeply thankful to everyone who helped organize the visit of our patron, Our Lady of the Holy Rosary of Malipangpang, whom we called Apo Sayong here at the Manila Cathedral. Today in our readings, there are 2 points I would like to share. First, St. Paul reminds us that we are children of God. Tayo ay mga anak ng Diyos. Bakit tayo naging anak ng Diyos? St. Paul declared, it is because of Christ. Ang nasa isip ni St. Paul ay walang iba kundi ipakilala si Christ. Ang nasa puso ni St. Paul ay walang iba kundi ipakilala si Christ. At St. Paul tells us to live out our identity as children of God. Pinakita sa atin ni St. Paul, as children of God, isang paraan para pagpapakita nito is to be united with Christ. Pinasabi sa atin, kapag tayo ay nakikiisa kay Kristo, tayo ay nagiging mabuting Kristiyano. Kapag tayo nakikiisa kay Kristo, tayo ay nagiging masayahing Kristiyano. Kapag tayo nakikisa kay Kristo, tayo ay nagiging madasaling Kristiyano. When we come to Christ, we become a joyful Christian. When we come to Christ, we become a prayerful Christian. When we come to Christ, we become a good Christian. Kaya pinapaalala sa atin ni St. Paul, pinapaalala ni St. Paul sa mga taga-Galatian to live out their identity as children of God. Second point is this: faith is a gift. Ang pananampalataya ay regalo. At tulad ng isang regalo, ang regalo, it's either you accept or you reject. In the gospel, we heard Jesus tells the people gathered around him. He even mentioned the name Jonas and that Jonas and Solomon. These two people are mentioned in the Old Testament. Sila ay mga tanda ng Diyos. Solomon is sign of God in the Old Testament. But people did not listen to him. People did not accept him. Jonah is also a sign in the Old Testament. Jonah is also a sign of God. But people did not listen to him. People did not accept him. That's why walang nangyaring miracles. Sapagat hindi sila naniwala. Ang isang taong walang pananampalataya, hindi nakikita ang biyaya. Kahit ang biyaya ay nasa harap na nila, kapag walang pananampalataya, hindi pa rin nila nakikita ang biyaya. Today, we are given 2 important points. Pinapaalala sa atin, we are children of God. And as children of God, we are called to live out our identity. Second, we are called to accept this faith. Kapag tinatanggap natin ang pananampalatayang ito, tumatanggap tayo ng biyaya. Today, we also the church remember today Saint Callistus, Pope and Martyr. Pinakita sa atin ni Saint Callistus ang kanyang pagiging masayahing Kristiyano, ang kanyang pagiging butihing Kristiyano, at ang kanyang pagiging madasaling Kristiyano. Nakita rin natin si Pope Callistus ay isa ring deboto ng mahal na Birhen. Pinakita niya at dahil sa kanyang debosyon sa mahal na Birhen, ay napagtagumpayan niya ang mga pagsubok noong panahong iyon. Pinapaalala sa atin today, like Saint Callistus, Pope and Martyr, na pwede rin nating mapagtagumpayan ang ating mga pagsubok kapag tayo lalapit kay Maria. Kaya po natutuwa kami sapagkat naririto po ang aming patron, ang mahal na Birhen ng Santo Rosario ng Malipangpang. Dahil naniniwala kami kung paano kami ay kanyang sinasamahan. Naniniwala ako ang bawat deboto ng mahal na Birhen ng Santo Rosario ay kanya ring babantayan at iingatan. I just want to share a short story. During the celebration of the Blessed Mother of the Holy Rosary in Malipangpang, a little girl approached the image of the Virgin and prayed fervently. When she finished, her mother asked her, "What did you ask the Blessed Virgin for?" The child smiled and said, "Nothing, Mama. I just thank her because she's always watching over us." This simple response beautiful reminded everyone present that beyond our petition, we must always give thanks to God and the Blessed Mother for their constant care. Believe na sinasamahan tayo ng Birhen. Believe na inaalalayan tayo ng Birhen. Believe, pinagdarasal tayo ng Birhen.